Let me open my own worksheet. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it here so it can open there. Okay, let's just open it. Let's open it fully, not dragging it. So I'm going to double click on it like this and it will open. All right, so this is going to be our worksheet. So this worksheet will be sent to each and every one, and this is going to be what we'll use to practice how to use all of these tools here. Okay, we're going to practice how to use all of these tools here. Now, I am zooming in. Now, this is a very, very important thing to know how to do. Zooming in and zooming out. Now, to zoom in, I just press my Alt key and I hold down my arrow, my scroll bar, press down my Alt key, then use my scroll bar with my mouse. You need a mouse. If you don't have a mouse, buy a mouse. You cannot do graphics with your keyboard on your, the mouse on your laptop. You cannot. You have to buy a mouse. Mouse is not expensive. Maybe 2,000, you get a mouse. Okay, so buy a mouse. Now, hold down your Alt key, then your scroll bar on your mouse. Your scroll bar on your mouse, you just scroll down is to reduce, then increasing is to just scroll up like this. That's how you zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, then to pan, all you just do is hold down your space bar, then hold down your left click and you pan. This is pan to just move around. Okay, hold down your space bar and hold down your left click to pan. Okay, pan, 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 holding down your left click, just clicking down your left click and you pan around. Okay, guys, so I want to zoom in very well. Now, this is the first task you are asked to carry out, to draw simple shapes, okay, using this tool, ellipse tool. Okay, now there are two things to do here: hold shift and do not hold shift. Now, to hold shift, we are going to first of all select the ellipse tool. Now, the ellipse tool is amongst the tools we have in our toolbox. So all we just do is long press, we select ellipse, then we drag like this, holding down our shift. Hold down your shift, then hold down your left click and just drag. Hold down your shift, hold down your left click and just drag. Let me do that again. I delete this and I want to do that again. Select the shape. Now, if you don't have it showing here, maybe you had a rectangle that was showing, you hold down, press it down for a little while, then you will see other ones will come up. Just press it down for a little while, just a little. Use your left click, just press down your left click a little. You see every other tool inside here will come out. Now, all these tools in this toolbox, anyone that you see this little arrow here like this little thing here like this, you know that it is not only that tool that is there. There are other tools too embedded there. So if you want to bring out those other tools, you have to just hold down your left click a little, then you would see. Hold down your left click a little, then you will see. Hold down your left click a little, then you would see. That's just the process. Now hold down your left click, you will see all the tools inside this particular tool here in the toolbox. So all the tools here, these are them. So select the ellipse tool, then hold down your left click and just drag like this. Okay, now once you have drawn the shape, the first thing you do is you click on your selection tool. Now, anytime you want to move a shape around after drawing a shape, after doing anything, you want to move that thing around or position it properly, always click on your selection tool. This is to select the shape. Good. You see that thing? Just like that. So click on your select tool, then you can now move it to any position you want it to be. Drag it. How am I dragging? I'm holding down my left click and I'm dragging. Holding down my left click and I'm dragging. Sorry, let me off all my smart guides and all these things. Making some hanging. You have to off all of these things. Go to view. Any of these things that is ticked, just click on it. Click on it and make sure that they are all off. So this is it. Now, after drawing the shape, I want you to color the shape. Now, this is your color area.